Hello again, it's me. Basically, what's happening today? A lot of cleaning. Yeah, a lot of cleaning, a lot of mess around. But we're getting there, so let's flip the camera and show you what's going on. So, engine and carburetor, everything degreased and ready to go for vapor blasting. Frame, I'm stuck with it. I can't press this out, so I need to find someone with a big press and help me. Yeah, as you can see, the ramp covered in stuff. Look how much dirt is there. And behind it. So yeah, I'm trying to degrease as much as possible and see what's worth saving, what's not. So let's say these parts will be saved, they will be sandblasted and they are good to use. This is good to use, but that is rotting too much. Which side is this? There you go. So this side, so sandblasted, welded, whatever, is too much effort, and I think you can get that for 80 euros. So I'm gathering up the basket of the bits. I'm gonna use it. That's how much rubbish, dirty gloves and shit from this project so far. That's new parts, so the engine, bearings, etc., all there. Exhaust, I'm not too sure, is this one good or not? I might need to buy new ones, but that's what the bike had it. So anyway, the fuel tank, I tried to look for one. No chance. Or 400 euros. Again, I'm pricing everything up in euros because there's basically no such a part in UK. I bought this in Lithuania, 20 euros again, I think. So if you wonder, well, at the current moment, I think the £1 is something like 120, 115 over euro. So if this is 20 euros, so that's probably like close to 17 pounds or whatever. But this one says CZ. I changed my mind. I don't want it, so I might just get this blasted. I know it needs welding up there, so I might weld this, blast this, and paint it in a single color rather than having a chrome in here. Again, I need to wash these bits. Seat. Let's have a look. That's the old tires. And quickly going up, that's the wheels. One wheel looks quite good, other one not too sure yet. So again, I might get them sandblasted and outer parts painted in the same color as the bike. Keep those as Harley. Might be too much, might be not. I might paint them just silver, whatever. It's not like, don't need to be pristine condition project. So see how it goes. I'm just gathering up bits now so I can take it to vapor blasting, which is going to be engine. I'm mainly going to focus on engine now. I know I need to buy the clutch discs because they're quite shit. So get that sorted and I'll see you in the next frame, whatever it will be, but I'll see you shortly.